Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Facebook, Apple, and Amazon. We follow the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to my website, sign up, it's free, or click down here in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Traders, if you're looking for a new broker, check out venomtrading.com/promo/StockBookie. Been using these guys for years. Best in the business. Check them out, venomtrading.com. Tell them StockBookie sent you. You won't be disappointed. All right, guys, daily chart. Facebook, 49 million on the day, 0.65% down, or $1.01 red. Pretty good showing. We held double bottom here, which was right around the 150.80 area. If you look intraday, this is where we took a trade right here. So we took a trade right here off a double bottom, got into a call position, and after hours, if this holds, guys, we should be getting paid right out of the gate tomorrow. Markets go green, this should have a nice little rally on its hands tomorrow, and we will get paid once again. And guess what, guys? Going long now. Told you there's always a time to go long. And this is one of them. But if we go down again, then hey, we protect the trade and we go from there. But looks like we're going to be gapping over gap fill. Big areas for this one will be the 161.45 and then the 162.81 and then ultimately this green line here at the 164.08. If we get above all that, then we'll be looking for the moving averages and this trend line here. And of course we have a gap window and a big gap fill up in here. If we can make it back up into this area, even double top, we will be shorting or writing calls on this one again. So let's ride it up, turn it, and ride it down. Maybe we'll even do a straddle up here and ride it back down. We'll see how this one goes. So, all right, but Facebook, guys, right now looks like we're going to get a pop in the morning from the Zuckerberg talking and whatever they're doing. A lot of news coming out, but markets stay green and start moving up. These will all start to move up. So if you did buy a call position, we did today, but somewhere down here you're probably getting depleted or decayed. Hold on to this. We could get a nice little rally tomorrow going into Friday. If the jobs report's good, the rally could continue. But again, you start getting into this area, 175, 180, gap fill, you better look out or take some profits. At least in my opinion, guys. But Facebook, guys, right now we're holding that double bottom. Let's see what we get tomorrow. And the volume was pretty good today too, 49 million. Let's go into Apple. Apple, great day today. We did sell our call position in Apple. We took it right here on this dip, held double bottom, hopped in, got a nice good gain on today. And let's see if we get some follow through. I did sell my call position, so most likely this will rally for another 3 to 4 days. If you're a trader, you know how that works. So me, I just move on to the next trade. If this comes up into this area, I will be buying puts or shorting calls. So I want it to go to the all-time highs again, because the next wave down on these markets, guys, it's going to be brutal. So the volume today, 34 million, 1.91% up, or $3.22 green. So great day, still in the lower range, still consolidating, just like Facebook, guys. You know, let's hop to Facebook. Sorry about this. But just like Facebook, we are consolidating in this lower range. So just beware of that. You know, that's why you got to get above these areas. If it stays down in here, though, this curls in, this could possibly go lower. So let's see what we get with this little up move if this holds. And then we'll go from there on Facebook, Apple, and Amazon, actually. Let's see if we get some follow through on some higher volume. And we need to close above the 20 now. Next step, the next step will be 175, fill the gap, and then we could possibly go higher into these areas. But like I said, we took the trade 2 days ago. We got out here for some nice gains and on to the next one, because that's what we do here at StockBookie. If we get over 50% in an option in 2 days, we're done. Not sticking around for this thing to turn around and flush out on us. Next thing you know, we're down here and the option's down by 50%. We take the money and run. So we had 5 call positions that we put on 2 days ago, or actually 5 that we took off today, but we put a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, actually, wait, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 call positions. We sold 5 of them today. Tesla, SPY, Qs, Apple, and the IWM. We're still in a couple more, and some are in the money. couple, I think two of them are down a little tiny bit, but after this nice rally today, it brought them back up. But this up and down action, guys, is pretty incredible. You get profits, like I said, 50% plus on a 2-day hold. You take the money and run. See you later. So Apple, again, you got to get above this. The big pivot will be the 175. Start filling gaps, and then we'll take it from there if it continues to go up. I want to pull this out real quick, though. I want to go from a shorter Fibonacci level from this low to this high just to see what we're going. All right, so we're into the 382. Yeah, big area right around 176 as well. 175, 176. We'll see what happens there. But if it gets above the 20, this can start moving up. Bears, you want to stay down in this area and consolidate. You want this thing to kind of just start to bleed and go sideways, and then we should start going down. So right now, we got a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days sideways. Great consolidation. They got to get these things up to save these markets. Apple starts to fall, it will pull down the rest of the market. So let's watch what we get on tomorrow and Friday with the jobs report, and then we'll take it from there with a weekend update. Amazon, nice little push. We talked about this area. It's a 750 retrace, 1355. That's what this one's been holding. But again, people buying calls, people buying calls, people buying calls. We bought calls right here on this date. So we're I think let's see here. I don't have my stuff open. I think we're a little bit out of the money on Amazon. This one's been a tricky one, but that's okay. We're not, I think we're a couple bucks out of the money on our call position, but I'll take it. We get a nice 100-point rally tomorrow. We'll definitely be in the money, and we'll say thank you very much, and on to the next one. But overall, guys, it's still down, still sideways. 20 MA curling in the price. It will eventually get in the price. Will this one pop before it starts to fall, the 20 MA? If we end up staying in this lower range, we will be setting up for the next wave down. 1162 will be the next price target, as well as lining up with this little gap fill and stuff like that. Still have the double bottom here around 1267.51. But right now, guys, looks like we might be getting another little rally tomorrow. So hopefully this one will go up another 30, 40 bucks, and we'll be doing pretty good in this call position. Actually, we did take this one on 329, so on this day. So a couple days of going up and down, up and down. They're not beat up too bad. We get one more day, we should be right there. And honestly, I know we're right, gosh, we're right about there. But all the other ones came in really nice today, and we even took off 5 of the positions and said, thank you very much, guys. So that's what we do. We go long, we go short, we short puts, we short calls, we do whatever it takes to make money, guys. We got in these 10 call positions because the market was coming in some good support. A lot of these tech stocks were coming into good support, and as a technical trader, that's why you got to step up and take some trades. You know, like Amazon, it's coming to the 750 retrace. You go to the weekly, you're hitting the 20 MA here too. That's great support too. And the 750 retrace. You got to step up and take that trade. And if we close above, say, 1441, 1450 on a weekly close, that could definitely lead us to higher prices. So watch this one. We're in calls right now. I wouldn't suggest buying calls. That'd be a little bit chasing, especially if we're up tomorrow. But hey, if you're in calls with me, let's hold these. Let's see what we can get in the next couple of days. Hopefully make our 50% and get the heck out. So volume was pretty good on this one today. 6.9 million, 1.33% up, and $18.52. You know, this one, remember this day, it'd go up every day like 40 bucks. Now we're fighting just to get one day up. So guys, again, be really careful in these markets. Looks like we possibly might get a couple more day rally. Maybe, you know, that's what the charts are telling me, the SPY and the IWM, but it doesn't mean we might get some bad news overnight with the tariffs and whatever else they're spewing out there with Trump and all the talking heads and CNBC. So just be alert in these markets, especially if you're long. If you're short, that's fine. Just wait. You know, we should get more of a pullback when the time comes. So, but right now we're getting a pretty good bounce in all these tech names, the Teslas, the Apples, the Netflix, the Nvidias. Let's hopefully ride these things back up, and then we'll turn them and ride this thing back down. So, all right, guys, that's it for today. And don't forget about VenomTrading.com. Check those guys out if you're looking for a new broker, and we'll take it from there. Again, thanks for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.